you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new here, you are most highly welcome. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you a remedy that would help you to get rid of dark spot. Alright, so the thing is that dark spot comes on your face. Sometimes it might be age. Mostly teenagers, tend to have dark spot, and also sometimes it might be stress. Also it might be pricking your face so well. Also, dark spot comes out when you have too many pimples and it has gone. So this remedy is going to help you to fade off your dark spot gradually, and it is actually 100% natural with no chemical at all, and you are going to be loving it. So let's dive into the video. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's go. First ingredients we're going to be needing for a dark spots removal is going to be turmeric powder. Now turmeric has anti-inflammatory property and fights off acne. Turmeric is excellent for acne because it is natural antiseptic and helps to keep bacteria from spreading on the skin. It reduces dark circles and protects against sun damage. Now baking soda is a mild exfoliating property. Baking soda makes it a good mix to help in removing dryness of the skin. It helps to get rid of dark spot. It also helps to get rid of pimples. It's a great antibacterial property that prevents further breakout from the skin. So combining it alongside with turmeric is going to help so much in getting rid of dark spots and dermatitis. We're also going to be needing black African soap. Now if you have to wash off your face and remove all of those dark spots and age spots, you would have to use black soap. Now black soap is loaded with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial property that helps to remove dead skin cells. It helps to exfoliate the skin, and it also works in removing dark circles. And then you're going to be looking for this beautiful miracle powder. You can actually get this online in a not very expensive, but it works really well. Combining this along with other powder would help to remove dark spot. It works in softening the skin. It helps for stretch marks. It also helps for inflammations, and it also removes dead skin cells. Now to make this mix, guys, we're going to be using 1 tablespoon. Now you can actually just pour this in. You mustn't measure it, but for me, I just love to have an accurate measurement in everything I'm actually mixing, okay, so that it will not be too much, okay, so I can actually manage it. I'm also going to be putting just half tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda, and this quantity is enough. So I'm actually going to be putting in all of this black African soap. Now I actually mixed this black African soap already with honey and turmeric and some other great ingredients, okay. So now we're going to be putting in the miracle powder. And for this miracle powder, guys, you can just put just a little, because a little goes a whole long way. Just a little, not necessarily full the scalp. A little goes a whole long way in giving you all of the things you need, okay. You can buy this miracle powder online, okay, because I know when you want to go and search for it, it's not going to be easy to search for it. Okay, so we'll have to dry stir it first and mix all of this ingredients together. Now what we're going to be using to mix this is just going to be water. Now you can decide to use lemon, guys, but here I'm actually going to be mixing it with water. So I'm actually going to be pouring in just enough quantity of water to go round. Okay, now we would have to stir. If the water does not go round, we would have to stir. We will have to put in a little more water again. Alright, so you can see this consistency is perfect, guys. Now you have to make a consistency that is not going to be too solid, neither will it be too liquid. Okay, just a very friendly consistency. Alright, so here is the your dark spot mix. This is how it looks like. Alright, so how you're going to do that, you'll have to use your hand. Well, you can see I have that spot right now. Like before, I used to, like last month, my face was filled with a lot of pimples. Okay, it's hormone changing in my body. It's actually, of course, something I can't really control. So what you do is that you just grab this and then you apply it on that place. Apply it all over your face, wherever you have dark spots. Well, don't judge me now, okay? Because of my dark spots, but of course you're just going to see the difference after using this, like this treatment. Because all the while I had pimples, I was just, you know, using this natural home remedy to just apply, because I know that some of the stuff, you know, tend to offend my sense of smell. So I use just the ones that, you know, my sense of smell can take. Alright, so you just have to, you can actually store this. Now this would stay for a couple of weeks, for like 2 weeks, okay? And then you would have to use it to apply on your face like this. Now you can actually decide to just give it a little scrub, especially on those parts where you have the dark spot. As you can see, I have dark spot, but don't worry, just a little time, the dark spots will be gone and my face will glow again. Oh my god. Alright, and this thing smells really good. You know, there are some stuff when I mix them, I just can't use them because of the smell. Alright, so you use this to brush all of your face. So you have to scrub for like 5 minutes. Okay, this thing is actually not something when you just apply, you just expect a miracle just today. Okay, you would have to do it for like 2 weeks or even 1 month. Alright, just regularly every morning. This is actually friendly enough for you to use on your skin like every morning. Okay, and it does a whole lot of, you know, good stuff on your skin. It helps your skin to glow really well, and it also help your dark spot to fade up. Okay, it helps the dark spot fade up really good, and it helps your skin to glow. Now this is actually going to also help you to soften your skin, because you know the baking soda is a great exfoliatant and it helps to exfoliate the dead skin cells. Basically that's what I trust on. Like I trust on this so well because it's going to help to remove all of my dark spots. Like the next time you are gonna see me, well, of course it depends on my body changing and all of that. So you scrub, you would have to scrub for some while. Okay, you can see the difference. When you scrub, it tends to get yellow more than here. So after scrubbing, you would have to hold it on for like 5 minutes. Now if you have a very strong skin, or you feel that your skin is actually very strong, you want to, you know, it doesn't work, you have to leave it for 10 more minutes. Let it soften your skin and get into your skin, remove all of the dead skin cells, and you know, glow your skin really well. So after that, then you have to go wash it off with a cool mild water, and this you're going to repeat it every day for the period of 2 weeks, and you are going to be seeing the magic. Like, trust me, you don't need to apply it just 1, 2, 3 days and you expect it to just poof. No, because dark spot actually goes little by little, gradually on the skin. It doesn't just like, it's something that fade off. Okay, so you also have to take your hands off your face. As much as you apply this, you have to take your hands off your face so that this treatment will really work. All right, now you can store this for 2 weeks. I said that before, and for a sensitive skin, leave it on for like 5 minutes. For a strong skin, 10 minutes is okay. So you have to scrub with this, just like I told you in the video, and you would have to be a little patient and be consistent, and your dark spot will go. You know, just like me right now, I tend to have dark spot because I have, you know, gotten so many pimples, like for, you know, in the nearest past, and it's actually going right now, and I'm sure this remedy is going to help you just like it is helping me to get rid of my dark spot. So if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video, and I will come your way again. Bye guys, and stay spotless.